When it comes to going to sleep, waking up, or even relaxing in bed, being hands-free with my iPad mini or my phone and this amazing stand makes all the difference in the world. This stand not only is fantastic for laying in bed, but for so many other great uses. So today, I want to share with you more about this amazing stand. It was about 3 years ago, I was on Kickstarter and I saw the campaign for the Tstand 2. And I love Kickstarter campaign products, but this one really piqued my interest because I was using another product that had a gooseneck and it had the stand. It was a little awkward, but I love the fact that this lays on your body and the shape of it. And I generally like to, when I go to sleep or when I wake up, I use my iPad mini. And so I thought this would be perfect. And so I got 2 of them, and today really look forward to sharing with you more about it. 2 years ago, as I mentioned, I got it and I thought, you know what, it's time to share about it, especially with the holiday season. This is a great gift for everybody because everybody has a device, and being hands-free when you're laying in bed or on a couch and other ways that you can use this really makes for a great gift. And this is probably my most favorite purchase that I have made on Kickstarter. Just a great product and love it. And so I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. So if you want to help the channel and you order and use my link, that would be great. And so you'll see there are other types of stands out there. And so it's kind of looking, there's some interesting ones, and this one may be a little bit more expensive, but I would say it's worth the money to invest in because again, it has worked so well for me. So let's talk about what's included. You get obviously the stand. It does have this cool adapter for your phone or small devices. So I'll show you how this works. You get these rubberized pieces that you could put on the legs. And then you have this plastic piece, which you can use to wrap a cord, like a charging cable or wired headphones, so you can do that there. Now, as far as the product, it weighs only about 1¼ pounds, very lightweight. It folds up nice and small that you can easily put in your bag, and you can use this for 2 different angles. And I would call it the bed angle, or you can even use it like the desk angle. So you can use it 2 ways. Now, in addition, by the way, you also get this rubber band. You get 2 rubber bands because the way this works, you'll see it works with a rubber band. And so eventually you're probably gonna wanna replace the rubber band. This cover comes off, and there's a video that I used actually for changing out the rubber band. So you could email me and I'll put my email address and I could send you that video. Very easy to do. There's a little lever on the bottom, push that in, and this you have to just push off so it locks in place well. It's a good solid plastic material with a matte coated finish. You do have these rubberized pieces here so it won't scratch up your device. And again, this is fantastic. And the way this works, if you do want to use a smartphone or even a small gaming system, you can do that with this. Now, you can also use up to devices that are size of a 12.5-inch screen, and that's horizontally. So that's great. So you can, for example, here I've got my Google tablet and that works well. And the way this goes on, there's these levers on the back and this just locks in place, and that's it. And then all you do is lift this up and there you go. And now you can use your phone. So if you're, for example, in the kitchen and you're cooking, you can use it that way, or in the office, and that works great. As I mentioned, I love using it on my bed, but I also can use it on my couch and works so well. And what I love about this is that it stays on your body. So it kind of contours to your body, stays in your hands free, which is great. Another interesting way that you can use this is, let's just say you're on a plane, you're on a train, you're waiting in an area, or you're sitting, you're at jury duty, for example. You can put your legs like this, and then you could easily watch I show, so you could be hands-free. Another great way to use it. And then if you don't want to use your phone, you just take the adapter off and you can easily just put your tablet there. Now with my iPad mini, I can use it both in a horizontal or a vertical position, and it works really well. So you can see there, so many great uses. Again, with the holiday season, this is great. Go out and get it. If you're using it, let me know how it's working for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I can't wait to see what the company has next for maybe a newer version. So great purchase. I love it. I use it, and so glad to share it with you. So hope you have a very happy holiday season, and maybe this could make a great gift for you, your family, and your friends. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.